Class 9 CBSE Lines and Angles, exercise 6.3, question number 6. This is the given figure, and according to this question, it is given that QT and RT are the bisector of angle PQR and angle PRS respectively. It is given that from Q and from R we draw the angular bisector and just they are meeting at T. So that means QT is the bisector of angle PQR and RT is the bisector of angle PRS. So these are the given information, and we have to prove that QTR equals to half of angle QPR. Okay, so we will just make the relation between them. So from where we will get QTR and QPR, that we have to think. So QTR is this angle and QPR is this angle. So we have to just make the relation between them. So we will use the angle sum property or exterior angle property. Okay, so for this triangle, so first we will write proof. So for this triangle, in triangle QTR from angle sum property or exterior angle property we will use. Exterior angle property. From exterior angle property, that this angle, that is angle QTR, okay, plus angle TQR, that can be written as angle TRS, So we have just take the name of this, that is 1. So since both the angles are equal, so 1 1, and here 2. So both the angle will be 2 2. So QTR plus TQR can be written as angle 1 equals to TRS. This is angle 2. That is equation 1. Okay. Now in triangle, another triangle, that is PQR. So in triangle PQR, same, from angle sum property or exterior angle property. So from exterior angle property, their sum, these two angles sum, that is angle QPR plus PQR plus PQR equals to angle PRS. So QPR, that can be written as angle QPR plus PQR. See the diagram, PQR can be written as twice of 1. So this is twice of angle 1 equals to PRS. So PRS is twice of 2. Okay, angle 2. Clear? So that can be taken as equation 2. Now we have to cancel out this angle 1 and angle 2. So that's why we will multiply this equation 1 with 2. Okay. So first multiply equation 1, 2. So what we will get? And twice of angle QTR plus twice of angle 1 equals to twice of angle 2. Okay, and now this can be taken as equation 3. So from equation 3 and 2, if we subtract them, okay, so what we will get? That is, these two will cancel out and we will get, and or by comparing them also we can say that angle QPR equals to twice of angle QTR. Okay, these two terms are same, these two terms are same. So by adding this QPR and twice of angle 1, we are getting twice of angle 2. And here twice of angle QTR plus twice of angle 1 equals to twice of angle 2. So same sum we are getting by adding the same thing. So here must be they are equal. Okay, so QPR equals to twice of QTR by comparing. Okay, so angle QTR equals to half of angle QPR. That we have to prove. So that is proved. Clear, student?